Apple Pie Biscuits. It's so warm and gooey, and that apple, the soft apple, is just really wonderful. It's so easy to make too. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, in a cold pan, we don't want to turn the heat on yet. Let's add 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 1/4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Mix that around until well combined. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take a lemon and we're gonna squeeze it until we get about a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're gonna put that in the mixture. And then add your apples. I've already peeled and cut the apples and diced them into little squares. And they say to about 3/4 inch squares. You don't want them too small, but yet not too big. And let's just go ahead and stir this a little bit, get everything coated. Okay, we're gonna turn the heat on to medium-low. We're just gonna stir this mixture until it comes to like a little sauce. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and we've been stirring constantly. It's making its little sauce. We're going to go ahead and shut the heat off. We're going to go ahead and set this aside. Okay, we're going to have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. We're going to go ahead and butter our dish with it. Just a little bit of it. Make sure to get the sides as well. We're going to go ahead and set the butter aside. Let's go ahead and get a small bowl. We're going to mix a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a tablespoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Just stir that around until it's incorporated. Okay, now that it's all incorporated, we're going to go ahead and grab a can of biscuits. We're going to have our buttered dish on one side. We're going to go ahead and bring back the melted butter and the cinnamon mixture that we just did. What we're going to do is dip the biscuit in the butter and then into the cinnamon mixture side. Do this generously. You want to make sure you have enough of that mixture onto the biscuit. And then go ahead and place it in your baking dish. And we'll just keep doing this until our 8 biscuits are coated. Okay, now that we've got that all in our baking dish, we're going to take whatever's left from your cinnamon mixture and just kind of spread it on top of the biscuits. And then same thing with the butter. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and bring back in our apple mixture that we did on the stovetop. We're going to take and spoon a good helping of the apples onto each biscuit. Just make sure we get it all onto those biscuits. Looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and put this in a preheated 375-degree oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, let's go ahead and put our icing together. We're going to go ahead and take a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, a 1/4 cup of cream or 1/2 and 1/2, and a tablespoon of butter that has been just softened. And we're just going to whisk this together until it becomes combined and smooth. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a little lumpy. If it's just the butter that's softened, it'll just melt by the time it gets on top of the biscuits. Okay, the cinnamon biscuits have been out and they've been cooling for about 10 minutes. We're going to go ahead and take that icing we made and we're just going to drizzle all on the top of them. We're going to go ahead and get David in here and see what he thinks. They look beautiful. Okay, the apple pie biscuit has been done. It's been cooling off for about 10 minutes or so, and we put that nice icing on top of it. So let's go ahead and get David in here to try it. Hey, David! And it's still warm
apple
too.
Stuff.
So
I like the apple stuff.
Yes, with the cinnamon.
You want to try it too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so soft. That's so soft. Oh, I'm really close.
And it's got that caramel kind of sauce in there too.
That's pretty good. Like, I've never had this one before.
The biscuit is so soft.
Oh my gosh, I'm going to go in twice for that one. That is a winner.
It'd be good for breakfast or dessert.
That is really good. That's like really good, guys.
It's
if you made it this far in the video.
It's easy to make too. Really easy because we just use canned biscuits. So trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Have a great day. I'm having a good day. Yeah.
Okay. See ya.